USB for hard drive enclosure is here. Alloy case. Ripple design to increase the heat dissipation area. Pop-up bottom cover, hidden and safe. Built-in cooling fan. Quickly dissipate heat through the vents on both ends. Compatible with various sizes of NVMe hard drives. Adjust the position of rubber plugs to secure the hard drive. Attention! No need to add thermal grease on the hard drive. Avoid affecting the air duct ventilation. Close the cover to complete the installation. Indicator light is on when connecting to computer. Thunderbolt or USB for mode, blue light blinks. S3.1 and below modes, green light blinking. Let's test the read-write speed. Then test compatibility for MacBook. For Mac Mini. For Mac Studio. For Windows Computer. For iPad. For PHONE15 cannot be read directly due to insufficient power supply to the interface. Need to be connected to the power supply through the docking station before it can be recognized.